Alright, what up YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another quick unboxing video. This is a Craftsman 5-gallon 4.0 P.O. It's a wet dry vac. I bought it to basically have an indoor shop vac, basically to suck up messes. And I decided to get a Craftsman. The last one I had, I forget the brand it was called, but I wasn't as happy with it, so here it is, a Craftsman. This wasn't too bad with regard to price. I think at the time, actually I bought this a while ago, and I just have not got around to unboxing with everything that's been going on. But I got this at a Lowe's. I think it was like 50 bucks. It was on sale, so not too bad. It's a stainless steel one, which I think is going to be good because most of the ones have been made out of plastic. What's good about these shop vacs, if they break or you decide not to use them anymore, the bottom part actually makes a good plant holder, which I've used them before. Alright, let's open this up and show you. Now if you end up wanting a review of what I think of it, let me know. I could always film a second video, but this is mainly just the unboxing so you see exactly what's in it, even though most of what you see is in it is in the box. But you can see it in person, well, see it, the actual items, and then the packaging, and I'll show the directions. I gotta be quick because the light is getting low, and I prefer to film these outside as the light's always better. Has that plasticky smell to it. There you go. Of course, we have the one attachment. Here is like directions, the foam filter, reusable filter. And then here's the more fuller directions of the vacuum itself. I mean, I barely ever look at these when I get something like this because it's really common sense how you put these things together. Once I've done this enough time over the years, they're not too different. Of course, part of the pipe that you attach to it. Generally, you'd put those together. I'm glad I finally did get it into this. Like I said, I bought it a while ago. Just did not have the time with all the stuff that's been going on with to unboxing. There's really not going to be much to it. Basically, pull it out. It's nice and shiny. I like the stainless steel. The box is now empty. And let me read to you now. Now there's going to be some more stuff inside it, like the hose and everything. So if you open this up and you don't see everything, relax. Usually they put it in here to save room. Just snap this off. You lift it up. There's the filter already attached. Nice and clean and new. And last is the other attachments. Here's the hose. The smaller version of the bigger one, but some of these are better for like the wet, some are better for the dry. What I like about these shop vacs compared to regular vacuums, a lot of them, I don't think all of them, will pick up liquid and dry stuff. Just to let you know. So, you know, if you're trying to get a lot of sudden spills in the garage, there's a lot of water, this will help, I guess. I've sucked up some liquid with these things. I've never done like a ton of it, so I don't know exactly how much it would do. I mean, it gets it to a certain amount, I'm assuming it would shut off but I don't know. I've only did little bits of water. Now this is basically, this usually normally goes around the filter to help with like bigger particles and stuff. So we'll go, I think, around that, or I take the filter off, I put this over it. I have to double check. That's one thing I'm not sure, but sometimes they've been different. This is basically another, like, goes with the filtering. But I gotta double check with the directions. Like I said, they're not all 100% the same. Here's the wheels, canister wheels, 4 of them. Now, other ones I've had that didn't have this. So, yeah, this you could use. This reminds me of like the old vacuums I used to have when I was, well, my mom had when I was younger. They had like a filter bag, but in the last, I don't know how long, we had just where it goes into like a plastic container where you don't actually use vacuum bags. So it's been a long time since I had anything like this. Smaller nozzle, get into those cracks. Just place a piece of cardboard. Oh yeah, look how nice and shiny that looks. That's nice. It looks like they put some blue stuff on the bottom. Let me see if I can basically keep it from like scratching and stuff. Wow, look at that. It's like a mirror. Look at that. You see you. That's cool. Fancier than the normal ones that I get. But okay, this is basically the unboxing video. And to put these things together is it's like really, really simple. Now these things here, see how this, let me show you. See how this sticks out? This is from like putting like these things so you don't lose it. At least that's what I've always done it for. And of course the wheels will just pop into the bottom. Very simple. To put this together, especially after you've done it 1 or 2 times, every time you replace it, it's pretty much the same. It's not really different. The difference with this one is they include this. There's a filter bag, I think. I have to double check. But other than that, these things are basically usually all the same. Okay, this is the Craftsman 5-gallon shot vac. It's a wet and dry vac. I said I bought this at Lowe's. It was about 50 bucks. It was on sale. And Craftsman is usually a very good brand. They do a whole bunch of different things. But if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. And I guess that's it. If you want, oh, here's a rear blower too, locking hose. If you want me to do like a review video when I think of it, let me know. I can see about doing it. But yeah, all right. Any comments, questions, please put them below. Oh, 3-year limited warranty too. And you can also buy an extended warranty, I think, at Lowe's, but I normally don't do that for these things because they're pretty cheap. Anyways, I gotta go. Any comments, questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye.